Hey crafters, for today's DIY, we will be making 2 projects for your laundry room. I will list materials used in the description below. Let's jump right in and let's get crafty. I bought these 2 small frames at Dollar Tree and I removed the metal backs. Next, with some Java paint, I painted 4 12-inch dowels. I found this little plank in a pack of 6 at Dollar Tree. I sawed down a bit and painted as well. With a hot glue gun, glue your 2 small metal backs. Now you can start assembling your little washing board. Glue your plank to the top. Glue the 12-inch dowels, 2 on each side. I have sawed down and painted 2 smaller dowels to fit inside the small washing board. And for the top, I have also painted and glued just 1 popsicle stick. I'll be using these transfer stickers I found at Dollar Tree. You may also just paint this part on. As a final touch, you may add some twine and small clothespins. Now let's move on to our next project, which is a laundry vintage sign. We will begin with an 11 by 14 canvas, and I printed about 3 newspaper pictures I found online on my inkjet printer, but a laser printer will work best, or real newspaper. I have already cut mine the way I want them laid out. Try to fill your entire sheet with a moderate amount of glue. Carefully apply, and I'm using a ruler to carefully smooth my paper out. I decided to print my own newspaper out to give it a more vintage look, but you can also use regular newspaper. And now I will stick these wall decals on the top. I found these in the craft section at Dollar Tree. And these rulers helped me stay straight. To seal our work, we will add 1 moderate layer of Mod Podge. Since I did use an inkjet printer, my ink will smear just a little, but that's okay because I'm going for that vintage look. Once done with this part, set aside to dry for a few hours. I will use an old wire hanger and cut the top. We will use this part to hang our artwork. I'm gluing down with the glue gun because my canvas is not too heavy. If you want something stronger, E6000 is also a good choice. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell for more DIYs. I'm loving the results of these vintage laundry decor that reminds me of how Jesus washes away our sins. Stay crafty.